How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm gonna do insane six-pack ab tips and tricks at home. No equipment. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So to get six-pack abs, you guys, some tricks that you can do, some tips, is to remove added sugar from your diet. For me, my abs, I had a decent six-pack, a really good four-pack, decent six-pack. Those bottom two abs were kind of hard to see, but you could still see them. When I removed all added sugar from my diet, my abs got extremely shredded. Like the abs you see in like magazines, like that shredded. They were insane. The reason why that happened is because added sugar gives you absolutely zero nutritional benefit at all. It's literally what it does is sugar raises your blood glucose and then it drops. So then you get hungry again. So you have more sugar, drops, spikes, drops. That's how you get type 2 diabetes too. So by removing the added sugar from the diet, you're going to lose weight extremely quickly. Like for me, I was already, keep in mind, I was already lean. Like I wasn't even overweight. I was at like 10% body fat. I dropped 10 pounds in 2 weeks, which is unheard of. Like I couldn't believe it. I thought I was getting sick or a cold. No, I dropped 10 pounds and it was fat too, you guys, just by removing the added sugar from my diet. So what's added sugar? Pop is the worst one. Pop. You can have Diet Pepsi. I drink Diet Pepsi or Diet Coke, but no pop with sugar in it. Coffee. Drink your coffee black. Everyone has like cream and sugar in their coffee. No, drink your coffee black. It doesn't taste as good, but it's not going to give you any body fat. Assuming you don't go over your calories, obviously. Another one is pastries. Basically, a lot of baked goods have sugar in them. Try to not completely eliminate them, but lower them from your diet. Very limited amount from your diet. Yeah, chocolates are really bad. Candy's bad. Cookies are bad. Basically, all the yummy foods are bad. So that's what I recommend to do. You do that, your abs are really going to start to come in nicely. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.